In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add topics in Google Classroom. Topics are a simple, powerful way to organize your classwork so students can quickly find what they need. Think of them like folders or sections. You can group assignments, materials, and questions under labels such as Week 1, Unit 2, or Resources. Let's walk through how to create one from start to finish. First, open your browser and go to the Google Classroom homepage. You'll land on the dashboard that shows all of your classes as tiles. If you're teaching multiple classes, take a moment to confirm you're selecting the right one. Click the class you want to organize. At the top of the class, switch to the Classwork tab. This is the central place where all assignments, questions, and materials live, and it's also where topics are managed. If you haven't used Classwork much before, you'll notice it starts out as a single list. We're about to give that list structure. In the upper left area of the Classwork page, click the Create button. A menu will open with several options you may recognize, like assignment, quiz assignment, and material. From that same menu, choose topic. Depending on your screen size, you might see an icon that looks like a list next to the word topic. Either way, this is the option you want. A small panel will appear asking for the topic name. Type the name you want students to see. Keep it short and clear. For example, you might use Week 1, Unit 3, Fractions, Vocabulary, or Project Resources. Consistent naming makes a big difference later, especially when you have many items. If you teach multiple sections or terms, consider a simple prefix like Q1 or Period A to keep everything tidy. When the name looks good, click Add to save it. That's it. You've created a new topic. You'll see it appear on your classwork page as a heading. Anything you create from now on, assignments, questions, or materials, can be placed under that topic using the topic drop-down inside each item's settings. This helps students filter by topic and instantly find what they need. A few quick tips as you build. Plan your topics before you add lots of content so you don't have to rename later. Keep topic names consistent across classes to reduce student confusion. And avoid overly long titles. Clarity beats cleverness. If you ever mistype a name, you can edit the topic right from the classwork page without recreating anything. And that's how to add topics in Google Classroom, fast, clean, and organized.